Hey, I'm Jake with the Bar Pumps. We're going to do a short video today on exchanging a hydraulic kit and an EVMSU pump. Before beginning, we want to make sure that the power is disconnected from the pump and the suction and discharge lines are closed. Step 1 would be to remove the coupling guard from the pump. Once the coupling guards are removed, we want to take out the socket head cap screws from the coupling. Once you have the coupling removed, take out the 4 bolts that hold the motor in. Once the bolts are removed, gently lift up on the motor to remove it from the pump. With the motor removed, loosen the set screws on the mechanical seal collar, but do not remove them all the way. Just want to loosen them a bit. With a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the socket head cap screws from the mechanical seal seat. To remove the EVMSU cartridge seal, you want to take a flat blade screwdriver and pry up on the mechanical seal seat. After the mechanical seal is removed, remove the air vent and priming plugs. To remove the motor adapter, loosen and remove all 4 of the tie rod bolts. Before removing the intermediate casing, take note of where the priming plug and air vent are located, so when putting it back together you get the orientation correct. Take a rubber mallet and hit upward on the intermediate casing to remove it. Then you'll be able to remove the hydraulic assembly. Before installing your new hydraulic kit, use some O-ring dressing to put on your O-ring so that it does not roll out of the O-ring groove when reinstalling the intermediate casing. Install the new hydraulic kit and then the intermediate casing. Use a rubber mallet to ensure it's seated properly. Now install the motor adapter. Before tightening the tie rod bolts, please see the torque specs chart located in this video. With the torque wrench set to the appropriate torque settings, please tighten the tie rod bolts in a cross tightening pattern. Before reinstalling the mechanical seal, put an O-ring dressing on the O-rings to ensure that your O-ring goes in smoothly without pinching or cutting the O-ring. Then slide the mechanical seal down the shaft, lining up the mechanical seal seat with the 4 holes in the motor adapter. Reinstall the socket head cap screws in the mechanical seal seat. Reinstall the shaft pin into 1/2 of your coupling. Then install it through the pump shaft and into the other side of the coupling. Then reinstall your coupling bolts but do not over tighten. If you tighten them down at this point, you won't be able to get the shaft of the motor back into the coupling. With the half key installed in the motor shaft, you may now return the motor back to the pump. Use the 4 bolts to fasten the motor back to the pump end. using a long flat blade screwdriver, pry up on the coupling until you hear it seat. Then tighten down 2 of the coupling bolts so that the coupling does not slide back down. It should spin freely at this time. After doing so, ensure that the gap on each side of the coupling is the same. Now, you can tighten the set screws on the mechanical seals collar. Now reinstall coupling guards. Make sure to reprime the pump before installing the priming plug and air vent. Now that you've completed reinstalling the hydraulic assembly, your Ibarra EVMSU pump is ready for service. If you have any problems or any questions, please feel free to contact us at 803-327-5005.